Hi, my name is Rich, and today I'm going to be installing and taking out the old one, the 2006 Honda Accord windshield linkage transmission, or whatever you call it. Have I ever done this? No. Am I a mechanic? No. You'll see as I'm going along. I just want to show, I didn't see a 2006 video, so I thought I'd just make one. Thanks for watching. We'll go on to the garage. Pull these caps off so we get to the boat. Looks like a 17 millimeters. Before you get started, I saw this on another YouTube video and I thought it was pretty good. I saw this on a YouTube video. Mark where your wipers are before you pull them off. I just realized the mechanic who ever replaced the motor here a while back didn't put these plastic tabs back in. If you had these plastic tabs, you could use this tool here to pry it up. There's one supposed to be located here, and going down, there's one supposed to be here, here, and then on the other side over there in the corner, and you just pry them up with this tool here. Oh, we're going to pull this thing up. It just slides in there, it looks like. That's all it does, is just slide. Okay, I think I got everything out. This is two parts, one on this side and one on this side, and it's just, you just pull up on that. I guess that's for that other squirter. Thing I turned around is getting in the way. There we go. I can pull that off. Now, I think I can get that on out of here. One thing, I don't know if it's needed or not, but before I start to take this out, I want to sort of see how it's up in there, in case something's wrong. Like maybe you can take a picture or just sort of draw how everything is. We're getting ready to take this nut off. Let's see, it's a 10 millimeter. You have 4 bolts, by the way. One here, one over here, one there, and then one right here. They're 10 millimeters. I won't bore you by taking them all out and watching me take it out. Okay, I've got all 4 bolts out. Let's see if we can pull this up. I don't think there's anything else. And once you get this up, you just disconnect the motor right here. I don't know if you can see. The motor plug is right there. Now you got free access. Okay, you have 3 nuts on this thing. One right here, and one here, and here. And then you have this big nut that you're going to have to remove. There, it just pops in. Okay, good. You're using, by the way, your 17 millimeters on this. Hard. And got a little washer here too. The thing you can do is you gotta take this off, and I think it's just sort of pressed on. Not sure. There we go. And the motor just pops on and off. Isn't that wonderful?